So, hello, family. I'm back with another video, and this one's pretty exciting because I've been building up my energy to receive my new grandbaby boy. As you see, I'm here and helping my daughter to sort out some things from following the shower. So it's really exciting. And if you're over 50 years old, you're gonna need some energy to help out with the new grandbaby boy. This one's in state. My other grandchildren are out of state. So I've been working over the last 6 months to build up physical energy. And if you're over 50, you're going to need some energy for a new grandbaby boy. I remember when I had my first son, and oh, it was a big difference in my daughter and him. So I had my daughter first, and then my son came, and he was so busy. He was opening cabinet doors. He was trying to run away from me at a very, very young age. So if you fall into this category, if this type of subject interests you, just follow along. Okay. So I'm going to show you now some things that I'm doing to help my daughter prepare for the grandbaby boy. And we're unpacking some things from following the shower. So I'll show you some things here. So this one right here, this was actually when they first introduced the baby coming. It's worth the wait, right? So these are some clothes over here, 3 months old to 6 months old, 3 months old, 0 to 3 months old. And so the people were really nice to her at the shower. Um, and some more clothes. You got some more clothes. And by the way, this is Unfiltered Friday. So this is a day where I've taken off my work and some other routine things that I do to just be with her and prepare and get the room all sorted. We're preparing a nursery for the baby as well. So I've been helping with washing, which is they have 3 floors in this house, and they have the basement and they have the main level. We're on the main level, and then there's an upstairs. So it reminds me of another situation when my daughter was first born. We just had the basement and the main floor. And once I came home from the doctor, we went straight to, I guess I could back up the story a bit. Actually, we were living with my father in law, and we lived on upstairs for 13 steps to get to our place that we were staying there to save some money for our new home. And at the last stages of my pregnancy, we were looking for a house. And I said, Lord, please don't let me have to go back to that home and climb up 12 and 13 steps to get to our place. So, lo and behold, after we had found a home, and it was a ranch style home. So I had the baby in the hospital, and once I left the hospital 2 days later, we were walking into my new home. But I do remember I felt my feet felt like they weighed 50 pounds, and my the gravity, the way my body had felt, it was not used to not having the baby, carrying the baby. So I remember stepping in. It took me like, oh, I was it was just 1, 2 steps to get in from the garage to the main part of the home. So it's really exciting that you get your energy up, and not just for a grandbaby, but just to have your energy up as a person, as a woman. There are lots of things that you can do to prepare for your life to um, things like, eating the right foods. Like this morning, I had some eggs for my protein, and actually I did have some sausage with it. And I've been drinking my water throughout the day. I have a lot of things I do, a lot of people I'm attending to, and a lot of responsibilities. And so I do exercise. I still exercise because I lost 30 pounds. So I walk a lot to keep my weight intact, to keep my weight at a good space, at a good level, not eating as much sugar, uh, things with sugar in it, like those juice drinks. No, that's not the best for you. So limit your sugar intake as well. And as well, getting your mind in a good place. Your mind should be set on positive things. Don't be thinking about these other distracting things in life, people yakking in the background, talking about you, and sometimes people are even jealous of you. That's something I hadn't even thought about. That's another subject. So, anyways, so there's Virginia. In fact, can I swing around, or can you come into the camera? If we try and turn this camera, that's going to be a mess. So, this is, yeah, we're preparing for a little grandbaby boy, all the things. And so I'm excited to be able to help. And I'm 65 years old, happy to be able to support her. Say hello.
Hello. This is what did you say about Friday?
Unfiltered Friday.
Unfiltered Friday. I am in my robe. I'm not going to work today. It's good that I still get to get a break from work. I only work 3 days, kind of full time now, but I'm a part time employee, so I don't have to work too many days. And so it's nice to have a Friday to I can be unfiltered, be at home.
Exactly, and this is how life is. I mean, this is what we do as a family. So we're excited again, and I want you guys. If it's not too late, you're still with me. Write in the comments if you're having energy problems. Just say, I need energy. Need energy. I need to know this. I need to know that you need energy or you're full of energy. So which one of the two? Full of energy, need energy. And you'll probably say, I'm in the middle. A lot of people are in the middle. But I know it's about 9 months ago, I didn't have as much energy as I have right now. Again, I've lost 30 pounds. So that helps a whole lot, and I'm actually staying in a good space. I have a range of weight that I stay in because I got to be ready for this boy.
And right, and he's gonna be a Miles boy.
He's gonna be a Miles boy.
And if he's anything like my nephews, we're gonna have to do a lot to keep up with him for sure. And apparently my brother was a lot to keep up with as well. So there's nothing to do to get around that.
Right, right.
At least
So,
it'll just be him, and my daughter is 17.
oh
We
my
don't
goodness.
have to keep up with her the same way. That's a different keeping up. But
Right,
yep,
right.
yep. If he's anything like the other Miles boys, then he'll be something else.
All right. So like and subscribe to this channel to get more content like this. And I'm going to be doing an unfiltered Fridays. Unfiltered Fridays. So catch me next Friday, and peace out. See you in the next video, though. I'll see you in the next video. Should have said that sooner. Anyway.
They'll be back.
All right. They'll be back.
They'll be back.
All right. Thanks for watching.